What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. And let me start out by asking you this. Have you ever been in an accident? Maybe it wasn't your fault, maybe there weren't any witnesses, and maybe it was even a hit and run. Well, what I have in this box can help keep you out of those sticky, sucky situations and give you peace of mind on the road. This is the Peztio dual dash cam, and it's going to help protect you and give you peace of mind as you drive and as you're parked. And a big special thank you to Peztio for sending me this dash cam to test out for you guys. And as always, I'll include a special link down in the description so you can check out this dash cam for yourself. Maybe you're an Uber or Lyft driver that spends lots of time in the crowded city areas. Or maybe you've been in a bad accident before where someone hit you and left, or there weren't any witnesses and it was your word against the other person's. For $50, which is the price that this costs, that is some really good insurance and really quality peace of mind. Now, on the front of the camera is a 1080p high definition camera with a wide angle front lens, able to capture small details like license plates and street signs, and that wide field of view helps you capture all 4 lanes on the interstate. Unlike some other dash cams, you also get a rear facing camera that also records in 1080p high definition to capture all the fun stuff that could happen behind you. On the back of the camera, you get a nice large 3-inch high definition screen for real-time playing and replaying of footage without the pain of removing and reinserting the memory card. The camera is also equipped with a microphone to capture any audio involved with the footage. Then you can take that footage and provide video evidence for an insurance claim in case of a road accident. Now, the lens has a special aperture setting and wide dynamic range to clarify images taken at different times of the day, to prevent overexposures and lighting in the middle of the day, and to properly expose night shots with its night vision. This means clear, crisp shots no matter the time of day. This Peztio dashcam is also equipped with a G sensor. This locks the footage when the camera senses a sudden shake or bump. This is important because the dash cam overwrites the footage on the memory card when it's almost at full capacity. The G sensor will automatically lock the footage that is recorded no matter what after it's been bumped or moved, because that is most likely an accident. Now, along with that G sensor, the dash cam also has motion detection with parking monitoring. This means the camera will automatically start and record when it detects moving objects. This is especially helpful in parking lots where someone may back into you or try to break into your car.
Oh, wait, that's my car!
Now, it may be a little small and hard to see on camera.
That's what she said. Excuse me? That's what she said.
But this is the rear-facing camera. It has an 130-degree wide-angle lens as well, and is IP67 rated, meaning it's waterproof and dustproof should you decide to mount it to the outside of the back of your vehicle as opposed to in the interior. And to wire this one up, all you have to do is run the cable through your headliner trim to the back and grab power from one of the tail lights. Of course, that installation is going to be different for a convertible. Now, I'm not going to run you through the installation of the rear-facing camera just because everyone does their wiring differently. And in this case, this isn't actually the vehicle I'm going to permanently mount the camera in. I'm going to mount my cameras in my daily driver because it's the vehicle I spend the most time on the road with. Installation of the front camera is very simple, and I'll show you how to do that now because it's not permanent. Should you travel in different vehicles, you're able to take this, unplug it, and put it in any vehicle you're driving, so you're constantly protected no matter what you're driving. So all you gotta do is find the suction mount that they provide for you, slide the mounting tab onto the camera, press it in like so, remove the protective film from the suction mount, find the spot in the middle of your windshield where you want to mount it, press the suction cup down, tighten down the screw, and it's mounted to the windshield. Next, you're going to plug in your power adapter cord into the top of the camera and run the wires up through your windshield channel down to your power outlet. Get to insert your micro SD card into the side of the camera. So that's how easy it is to install the Peztio dash cam in your car. Again, I'll include a special link down in the description below so you can check out this dash cam for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to love this one. But that's it for me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.